It is an opportunity for students who don't normally have access to experiences to be able to come together. But providing an experience to students to be able to see all of the different things that ag is and how they actually are a part of it just by being consumers and like wearing clothes and having emotions and feelings. They are literally part of ag. Any time that there's an opportunity for our children to get to have an experience outside of their normal day-to-day helps them to really integrate and be better, like to have the possibility to be better humans. And there is no cost to the student participants, and they get an opportunity to see their kids grow in ways that they may not normally get to see either. And if we are truly here to be access to education for everyone, we really need to be committed to that. And programs like this are how it happens. And so we really need to keep doing programs like this, whether it's this one or somebody else does one, but it's important because it really changes them and it changes us. I think this is the reminder of the good. So we need to keep doing it.